Hey guys, it's me Jake. I know I'm up really late. It's like, let me see, 9:13 at night, and I should be going to bed by now because I have school in the morning, but I'm just saying I probably won't be able to post that much videos. Well, I haven't even posted that much videos, but I'm just saying that when I do post more videos, I'm probably not going to be able to post so many on special days, but probably over the holiday I'll do a recording of me opening my presents. But my parents will think I'm just recording it, nothing else than that. And yeah. Oh, and I want you to meet someone. This is Mr. Evil. I adopted him from my house, and he is an outdoor cat because it's a boy. I have a stray cat also outside. Go away. And so yeah. I also went to honor choir yesterday, and I think it was pretty good. I mean, not yesterday. I think it was like 2 days ago. And my parents let me get this. Hang on. You may have heard something really loud. It's because you did. But I got this giant thing. We have 3 dogs that I will show you right now. Sorry, I had to stop the recording for a second. I was fixing some things. Yeah. So I have, as I was saying, I have some dogs. I have actually 3. I had like 50 cats before, but they weren't mine. They were like my parents. But so we have a dog that's about 14 to 15 years old. I don't really know. Maybe making a loud sound, but don't blame me. I don't have a real camera to record this. So I'm practically gonna be only recording here and practically nowhere else because I can't take my computer anywhere. Other than that, I don't have a phone, so I can't, get YouTube on a phone. But I'm freezing. I'm gonna keep my blanket on. Why you know right, Ray? So yeah, I'm just gonna suffocate myself in my blanket. Just kidding. So yeah. You probably don't know me really, but I do Musical.ly, and I have about 3. But my most likely used one is what that means. Tablet is practically dead. Probably can't see it that well. Okay, it's backwards. So my thing is Jade Dash, the big one. Well, the middle one. I don't know. And Marie Pufal. I'll tell you how to spell it. Pufal is spelled P-U-P-H-A-L. And I have 26 followers, 7 fans, and I have 33 Musical.lys and 85 hearts. And at the top of the thing, you can't really see it. It doesn't want to come out. Let me. Okay. I'm really big now. I didn't mean for intentionally doing that. Seems like it doesn't want to really work. But, I have a picture of me and my friend. Oh, no. I'm gonna show you at least 1 to 2 of them. My room's like, things really fuzzy because probably because my tablet in my room. Ow! I popped my fingers. And I'm figuring out how to do my intro. I just haven't picked the music completely with it. Let this thing load. Oh my god, you guys can't see it. Well, just find my Musical.ly and you'll see all of them. So you can hear that in the background. I cannot put on music because it will be copyrighted. Which, yeah. But my thing's gonna be like 20 seconds. So, and I'm gonna have like copyrighted music. But it's not my fault. You can't blame me. I'm only 10. I don't know the basics to YouTube. I just started about 2 to 3 days ago. And I'm not a good colorer, drawer, or anything. So, yeah. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys, if this sounds really, really crappy, may think, I'm sorry. Really, I am. So, I don't know. And since I'm not a famous YouTuber, no, I don't want to I don't have any images of me. And probably, just maybe in middle school, I'll get my phone. I don't get a hand-me-down because those are the most worst things in my life. So, yeah. I think this is one of my favorite, not favorite, longest videos. And I need to clean my room, and I'm not going to give you a tour because it's a mess. And maybe, just maybe tomorrow, I will do something. So yeah, I'm going to have to figure out how to do an outro. This is my third video, and it's at night, so. So, that will probably be it for now. I'm just giving you an update, and you may hear noises. I don't know if it's gonna go in the video. I don't know how to edit, although I have my own computer. Yeah, that's all I have to say.